Hi everyone. So let me show you how you can create a system and process in your business so you can work so easily. From the last 2 years I am working. So I am very struggling to manage my leads. How to track what are the leads coming on my way. How can I follow up all the things? So I get some of the things from the Rahul sir. So I think I will share it with you. So these all things will work. So let me show you. So here first of all, what are the things I have to be used on a daily basis. So I just write all the things, the different type of, I mention all the links. So if I want to reach out to the client, so let me show you lead sheets. So this is how I track all the things. In the last 2 months back I record all these things. So first of all, here you can write the date. On the next section you can write the name. On the next section you can write the contact number. On the next section you can write the address. Source of lead, Google, Facebook, Insta. So you can write these whole things. What are the website you want to sell? So here you can write. Here you can write the email. If you get the email here, so you can write it here. If you don't get the email, so you can write no. So here you can mark just this like red, so you don't get the email. If you get the email, so you can mark the green also. So this is how you can track all these things. So what are the activity done, uh, and what you get the response. So suppose you are reach out to the clients and you want to the follow up to the client, so you can easily follow up to the clients. So here is the sample sheet you can also create so easily. So let me show you. First of all, you can write her name. On the next section you can write email. Next section, contact number. Source of lead, Google, Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn. So what is the first interaction mode? So via message on a call. So what is the date exact and what is the response? What is the second interaction? What is, so here you can easily track all the things. So this is how all the systems and process will make your work so easily. So let me share you one more. So what you have the resources, so you can put down all the things. So I have a habit that I mention, I write my all the information in the Google Docs. So it is not easy for me also to manage all the things. So what I do, so I write down the training name here. So I put down the training link, Google Docs link. So this is so easy. Whenever I want to recall all the things, so I just come on this sheet, and it is so easily to find all the training link. And if let me show you my Google Docs link. So on the Google Docs here, if I want to see any training, so it takes so much of my time to find out the right training. If you having a right system in our business, so it is so easily. So you can also create these kind of the Excel sheets for you, and it makes your work so easily. So thank you so much.